Friends, you know very well that the situation of coronavirus is spreading day by day. We, all 8.5 lakh chemists, are the real Jan Swasthya Rakshak of Indian public. We have promised to our respected Prime Minister that we will serve the country and we will not hoard the stock. So this is our request that no retailer, no wholesaler, no dealer should hoard any stock with them and deliver the medicine to the needy patients only. Convey to your patient also that they should not have any problem. They will get the medicine forever. There will be no shortages of the medicine in the country. So the patient should also not hoard the stock. I request on behalf of All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists, 8.5 lakh members, that please do not hoard the stock and stay safe. Keep safe yourself, your family, your staff members. Maintain distance and stay safe. Thank you very much. I, Rajiv Singhal, General Secretary, AIOCD. Jai AIOCD.